My today's recipe Pabda Macher Jhal or Tel-Jhal. Now I am showing you some of my arrangements and ingredients. This is uche bhate, my favorite, that I will take separately. Just I am getting it warm because I have taken it out of the fridge, and these are the ingredients. I put the camera here. This is just time pass, like my painting, and if the time pass gives such nice output, then why to watch serial and movie? And I like video editing also, so that will help me to spend some more time with some creativity. These are the oil compartment I put the camera. This is ada bata, ginger. I will not tell on all this English or Hindi. I did not study in English medium, so I am not very expert of English. What I am. Who cares? Nowadays I follow this. And if you have to have very sumptuous Pabda Macher Jhal, Pabda Tel-Jhal, then you have to take help of Google Baba if required, so you can understand better. This is body I use almost in everything. My favorite, and this holud, noon, lonka, kalo jeera. These are the common ingredients I keep in my left hand. Chai banane ka intijam, because when I'll cook, I'll have some tea also. And this is rice. I have to make it when fish curry is over. This is overall the arrangements. This is some testimonial how I am enjoying my time alone in this house. Maybe I am doing some painting, reading books, sitting in front side this room, or maybe cooking. When you are alone, you don't have the jail to keep everything right, but वाइफ आने का पहले सब कुछ साफ सूरत करके रख देगा, so nice, clean. Unfortunately, wife also will see this. थोड़ा तो प्रॉब्लम होगा. Anyway, this is जीरे बटा, this is आदा बटा, धने पत्ता, शुक्ला लंका, काचा लंका, then tomato. एगुलो के बेटे ने I will just crush it in this mixture. This onion and this garlic. I am making hot water here, so that I have to put hot water at the end. Never ever put cold water. Okay, so I think all these things are very clear to you now. Now let me to start cooking, and when I will cook, I will tell a little bit more. মাছটাকে হলুদ নুন একটু লঙ্কা আর তেল দিয়ে কাঁচা তেল দিয়ে মাখিয়ে রেখেছি. That will be better when I will fry it first. You must have for preparing fish curry. One is use Teflon coated utensils, or you can say non-sticky pan. Otherwise fish can stuck and it get damaged when you try to pull it up. Secondly, mustard oil always. No other oil is okay for fish. You should not fry Pabda too much like Hilsha, then I will not find the taste of it. Just fry. Same recipe can be used for Parshe, Topse, because these are same kind of fish to prepare Tel-Jhal or Jhal. The inside water, some of the fishes are washed heavily, and it spray the hot oil on your hands. Be careful. If you find some of your female colleagues or relatives having burning spot on their hands, Don't think she has been tortured. Probably she was preparing good fish curry for her loved one, like father, mother, husband, and bacha. So be careful when you are preparing it. This is the main part which brings taste, or I can say differences of taste. That onion, garlic, ginger, all this paste we have seen, you have to fry properly. So its raw taste evaporate and it creates a mixed new taste. Here people use little bit of sugar also. I don't use it, but that maybe is better to use little bit of sugar. If it is too dry, put little bit of water, but it should be hot water. Most satisfying thing is there is some program in my daughter's house at Hyderabad. My wife went there. There is a visa program. She will be there for 15 days around. So as long as they are enjoying, I am enjoying. That's the biggest satisfaction. I may go for one day because एक साथ नौकरी है और सब कुछ नहीं कर सकता, but hardly matters. Be happy. Most of the Bengali families know how to do it, how to prepare a sumptuous fish curry. This is mostly for the non-Bengalis who like fish curry. So I am giving the entire recipe. Follow this ditto. You can also prepare yourself. कब तक खिलाते रहेंगे? मैं बना के प्रिपरेशन दे दिया, खुद बना लो, खुद खा लो, and give me a thanks later on. Add little bit of mustard oil. Kacha tel, usually it is not allowed to add kacha tel, but here it's useful. It gives a different taste. Also हम लोग छाल नहीं खाते, तीखा नहीं खाते, इसलिए use not much lanka. It can be green chili or maybe red chili. You can use more if you like something very hot. And it is Tel-Jhal, so it is Tel and Jhal should be little more. Keep it like this to boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. Uche, they are boiling. Uche and some aloo. Uche and aloo are boiling. And then this one more fish is ready. Dal, chai banda hai. And this is also ready. लाइफ में जो भी है लाइफ एंजॉय करना चाहिए. आई एम एंजॉइंग द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द ईयर. हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. I am enjoying bindas. Thank you for watching. The other most popular recipe is kalojire kacha lanka jhol. It is easier, even much more easier. Just fry the pabda. Then in the same oil, take out the pabda and put some kalojire and kacha lanka. Then fry it and then put some hot water. Boil it for 2-3 minutes. When it is boiling, put the pabda and boil again 10-15 minutes, and it will be really great. Even many people like kalojire kacha lanka than the jhal. Thank you.